Welcome back. When you consider an autoresponder, you will want to think carefully about your business model and how you're going to be using the autoresponder company. For example, Mailchimp in particular has policies specifically regarding affiliate marketing. They have specific ways in which they prohibit affiliate marketing in their terms of service. They also have specific ways in which they look at affiliate links. They have ways in which they determine how they look at affiliate links as well as domain reputation of what it is that you are going to be promoting. And before you make a final selection, it's going to be a good idea to contact the company that you want to work with to determine if your business model fits the way their terms of service are stated. If you can, you will want to do a search with the name of the autoresponder company, affiliate marketing, and terms of service. In some cases, you may want to use the term affiliate links. You want to find a result with the individual autoresponder company so that you can look at their policy on affiliate links. You also want to take a look at the latest dated article that you can possibly find. And you then want to determine if the way you're going to do affiliate marketing fits the way the autoresponder company that you're going to work with views that way of doing business. So while plans may be free and may be inexpensive to start, it's likely to be inconvenient if you're going to start in one autoresponder company and then have to move if your business model doesn't fit the way they want you to use their platform. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.